dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The headlines. President Bola Tinubu has sought the approval of the House of Representatives to approve the refund of 24 billion to Nassarawa and Kebby State. Moving on, we have court backs CBN to direct banks to collect all customer social media handles. Hey, my people, don't be small matter. But guys, before we commence fully with this news, welcome back to Reality Latest GC, home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If this is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. So guys, let's proceed with the news. President Bola Tinubu has sought the approval of the House of Representatives to grant concurrent approval to the federal government for the refund of a total sum of 24 billion to Nassarawa and Kebby State government for the takeover of the airport built by the two states. President Bola Tinubu's request was contained in a letter he addressed to the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Abbas Tajudi, and it was read on the floor of the House of Representatives on Thursday during plenary by the Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu of the Lafia Cargo Airport, Nassarawa. The President explained in his letter that aviation, including airport safety of crafty and carriage of passengers and goods by air, we are under the control of federal government as provided in 1999 Constitution as amended. So the letter read that the President is seeking the House approval to refund over 15 billion to the Kebby State government and 9 billion to Nassarawa State government. My people, Kebby State had earlier spent the money to construct the Ahmadu Bello International Hospital in Benin Kebbi, the state capital, while the Nassarawa State government spent 9 billion for the construction of the Lafia Cargo Airport, Nassarawa. Now, the President has explained in his letter that aviation, including airports, safety of aircraft, and carriage of passengers and goods by air, we are under the control of the federal government as provided in 1999 Constitution. So in his letter, which reads that establishment of a promissory note program in favor of Kebby and Nassarawa State government for the reimbursement of the respective costs of the construction of newly built airports in those states that have been taken over by the federal government. So he's telling the House of Representatives that they are invited to note that at the Executive Council meeting of the Federal Executive Council, which was held on 23rd May 2023, that the following was approved. One was the sum of 9 billion that was issued to Nassarawa State government as a refund for the takeover of the newly constructed Nassarawa airport. And the second one was the sum of the 15 billion only that should be issued to Kebby State government as refund for the takeover of Benin Kebbi International Airport. Now he is saying that the House of Representatives may wish to note that by the provision of item 3 of the second schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, aviation, including airports, safety of aircraft, and carriage of passengers and goods by air, they all fall under the exclusive legislative list. So the impact of this is that ownership, regulation, and control of airports in Nigeria are exclusive to the federal government. In light of the above, President Bola Tinubu has urged the House of Representatives to consider and also grant concurrent approval for the establishment of the Promise Note program in favor of Kebby and Nassarawa State governments, respectively, as he has stated it. He don't really share them. So he is seeking for them to approve it. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The Federal High Court sitting in Lagos has upheld a new Central Bank of Nigeria regulation, which requires financial institutions to demand and collect the social media handles of their customers as part of the standard Know Your Customer procedure. So in a ruling on Thursday, May 16, the presiding judge, Justice Nnamdi, said that the regulation is not a breach of the rights to privacy of bank customers. He struck out a suit filed by the Lagos-based lawyer Chris Eke seeking a declaration that the regulation, as contained in Section 6 of the Central Bank of Nigeria Customer Due Diligence Regulation 2023. Eke said that the new CBN regulation is undemocratic, unconstitutional, null and void, to the extent of their inconsistency with Section 37 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. So the applicant had asked the court to grant an order of perpetual injunction, restraining the CBN from enforcing the regulation, which require financial institutions to request customer social media handles as part of their normal bank customer due diligence requirements. That the CBN, in their response to the suit, filed a notice of preliminary objection challenging the competence of the suit. The Apres Bank also disagreed that they said regulation constitutes any interference with the private life of applicants, as they claim in Justice Dingbat's judgment. He held that the notice of preliminary objection had merit, and he subsequently struck out the suit. The judge said in his view that the provision of social media handle is the same as the provision of email address, phone number and other means by which a potential customer of a bank can be contacted, and or due diligence to determine if the person is fit and if the person is a proper person for the bank to do business with, and as such the regulation does not amount to an infringement on the right to privacy. For my people, this country now like Z word, extraordinary every day. Now different thing now would they see, different thing now would they hear. Now these people want collect social media handle, BVN and NIN no reach them. My people don't be sporty. They also start planning on how to collect the air we breathe in this country, because I don't understand them. They are trying so hard, they don't even know the next step anymore. So many people will see this thing and laugh about it and pass. These are the things that affect us. Well, nobody is commenting on that. A government that takes from you and gives you nothing now want to control your lives, and we are not seeing it as anything or more. Now my question is that what about those that their names on their bank is different from what they are using on their social media handles? How are they going to trace about that? In and BVN no work now. Now social media handle now did they find. What about those that don't like social media? And what about those that are using fake social media? It's going to be crazy, because I don't know how they're going to do that. These people think backward. This kind of thing can't be heard in a normal country. All they want to do is tax. They're just looking for a way to tax the people. Currency where this man supposed to manage, enough to manage them. So waiting one use our social hand to do. This man a misplacement priority. Number 6. They go chop fake account tire. Imagine monitoring an account where they empty. now go tire. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your winners, stay safe guys. Bye.